Surprise! Look, everyone, we are going on a trip.
Yay, a trip! Where are we going?
We are going to fly on an airplane.
I am so excited.
But first, we must pack. Oh my, look at Emma's room. It is a big mess.
I don't know where to start. Can you help me?
Don't worry, Emma. I will help you. Let's get organized. First, we need this. This is a suitcase. Repeat after me. Suitcase. Correct. Now, watch me fold the shirt. Nice and neat. See? We have pants, shirts, and socks. All folded.
I am putting them in the suitcase. Gently, like this. Good job. Put the socks in the corners. Don't waste space.
I have a checklist. Let's make sure we have everything.
This is the most important thing. Passports.
And don't forget the sunscreen. It will be hot.
I have my toothbrush too. I want to bring Mr. Bear. He won't fit.
Oh, Emma, he is too big. Leave Mr. Bear at home.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, the bags are full. Help me close this! Zip! It is closed. Good job, Dad. Look at all the luggage. 1, 2, 3 bags. We are ready. Honk, honk. The taxi is here. It will take us to the airport.
Goodbye, house.
Next stop, the airport.
Let's go! All right, here we go. We have arrived at the airport. Look at the big sign, Departures. The bags are heavy. We need a trolley. Dad pushes the trolley.
Emma is riding on top.
Hold on tight, Emma. And look at Uncle Chill. He is surfing. Very cool. Let's go inside the terminal. Wow, it is very big and busy. Look up. This is the departure board. It shows all the flights and times.
Mom is looking for our flight. Can you find it?
There it is, New York.
Uncle Chill checks the time. We are on time. We don't need to rush. There are many people.
We must wait in the line.
We must be patient.
This is the agent. She works for the airline. She is very friendly.
Now, we must weigh the bags. Up, up, and onto the scale.
Let's check the weight. 20 kilograms. That is okay.
Dad was nervous. If the bag is too heavy, you must pay extra money. The agent says, perfect. Good packing, everyone. Mom gives the passports to the agent. She checks our names.
Goodbye, Suitcase.
The conveyor belt takes it to the airplane.
See you later.
The agent gives us our boarding passes. These are our tickets.
Look closely. It says Gate 12. We must remember that number.
Check-in is finished. Now, let's go to security. This is the security check. We must be safe. Everyone must check their bags. Grab a tray. It is a plastic box for your things.
Shoes off. Emma takes off her sneakers.
Put them in the tray. Put your phone and bag in the tray. And liquids too. Empty your pockets, Dad. No keys, no coins. The trays go into the scanner. It uses X-rays to look inside. Now walk through the metal detector. Uncle Chill goes first. No beep. Good job. The security officer is watching. He keeps the airport safe. Dad's turn. Beep, beep. Oh no, the machine is beeping. Oops, Dad forgot his keys. Silly Dad. Try again. We are finished. Put your shoes back on. Almost done. Let's find our gate.
Okay, let's go.
We are in the terminal. Look at all the shops.
Duty-free shopping.
Look at the signs. We need gate 12. The arrow points straight ahead.
Emma found it.
Gate 12. We are at the right place.
Emma and Uncle Chill look outside. Wow, Emma, look at that plane.
It's flying so high. What else is out there?
Wow, look at the airplane. It is huge. That is our plane. Ding dong.
Attention please. Now boarding flight 123.
It is time to board. That means get on the plane. Stand in line. Scan your ticket.
Beep.
Have a nice flight.
We walk down the jet bridge. It is a tunnel to the plane.
The flight attendant says, "Welcome aboard."
Hello.
Walk down the aisle. Check your seat number. 10, 11, here is row 12. Here we are. Put your bag in the overhead bin. That is the box above your head. Emma has the window seat. She loves to look outside. Now, fasten your seatbelt. Click. Keep it tight.
Please watch the safety demonstration. Listen carefully.
The plane is moving.
We are driving to the runway. Here we go! Takeoff! Whoosh! We are flying!
Look, we are up in the sky.
We are above the clouds. It is beautiful.
It is snack time. Bringing the cart around.
Yes, snacks!
Here we are. Emma asks politely,
Can I have orange juice, please?
Uncle Chill is relaxing. He is listening to music. He is sleeping. The flight is very smooth. Everyone is happy. Uh-oh, the plane is going down.
Don't worry, we are landing.
Oh, touchdown! We are back on the ground. We have arrived. Look at the palm trees. It is warm here. Let's get off the plane.
"Don't forget your bags." Thank you, pilot.
What a great trip.
We learned so many new words. See you next time. Bye-bye.